Yes, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Craft. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern. It's so incredible easy to make. You can make so many things. Scarf, baby blanket, set for baby is so pretty. Whatever you can make. So I hope you will love this pattern. I will show you how to crochet this pattern. Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Craft. Today I'm gonna show you very beautiful pattern. You can make so many things with scarf, full set for baby, lots of things you can make with the pattern easy. So today I want to show you. I'm gonna use this yarn. Usually I'm using this yarn. So this yarn multiple is double knitting yarn. So I'm gonna make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. So 41 42 43 44. This pattern multiple 4. So I'm gonna plus 1. So 2 single crochet, 3. So I'm gonna continue like that. You should have 44 single crochet. I'll show you at the end. So viewers, I am at the end. I have one chain left. I want to show you. So you can see this is single crochet row. So make chain 1, then make here single crochet first, then chain 1, yarn over. So 1 2 3, not this one, count, use 1 2 3 in the 4th, make double crochet. So make double crochet, same stitch. Okay, then make chain 2, make single crochet, same stitch like this, yarn over, 1 2 3 in the 4th, again make 2 double crochet, make chain 2, same stitch, single crochet, 1 2 3 in the 4th, make 2 double crochet, always in one stitch, chain 2, then make single crochet, same space, 1 2 3 in the 4th, double crochet, in same stitch. So you can see it's so beautiful when you make it. It's so easy, super easy, super fast. 1 2 3 in the 4th, 1 2 2 chain 2, same stitch, single crochet, 1 2 3 4, chain 2, make same stitch. So viewers, I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at viewers. I am at the end. I have 3 stitches left. Yarn over 1 2 3, last one I'm gonna make double crochet. So make sure 2 loops on the hook, then make double crochet at the end, so you can see it's so lovely and so beautiful pattern and easy. Even beginner can make this pattern. So again gonna make single crochet, then chain 1. So let's see now where I made chain 2 space, I'm gonna make there 2 double crochet. Now this pattern just repeat 1 row. So now always we have to, there's 2 double crochet. This first one I'm gonna make single crochet with that when I make chain 2. So I made 2 double crochet, then chain 2, make single crochet with this first one, yarn over next space, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, then make with this so yarn over 2 double crochet, chain 2, so make this first one, yarn over next space, make 2 double crochet. So always you have to make like this, chain 2 with this, yarn over 1 2, chain 2. So this pattern I'm gonna make just in 1 color, but you can't make 3 color, 2 color. So 1 row like this, then other. When you start this pattern, then you can change color here if you want that, like that. So or you can make 3 row with this or 3 row with other color. Single crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, single crochet with this, chain 2, yarn over, so now nothing change. You have to repeat this row. Always you have to repeat 2 double crochet, chain 2 here, then at the end make chain 1, make here double crochet, okay, like this. So exactly same as here. So I'm gonna continue like this pattern. Again viewers, I am at the end. Chain 1, make single crochet here, chain 1, then make here, always like this. In chain 2 space make 2, chain 2, single crochet with this yarn over, chain 2, one, 2, yarn over, so viewers, I'm gonna continue like this. Then I'll show you what. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my swatch. So I hope this is so super soft. It's very soft because I used soft yarn as well. So and super easy, super fast when you make it. I hope you will love this pattern. It's incredible pattern for all project. So it's very soft. I love this pattern. So I hope you will love this pattern, and it's easy for beginner. So if you like it, please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel and give me the nice compliment, please. Thank you so much.